If you are looking for the best wheel bearing hub assembly, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. The number one position is dominated by Detroit Axle 515036 front wheel bearing and hub assembly. Detroit Axle brand is known for its top-notch wheel bearing products. For your Silverado, you can trust its 515036 front wheel bearing and hub assembly. Made of high-quality materials, Detroit Axle 515036 are sealed and greased to ensure they are durable and last long. They're also built to exact OEM specifications and quality. For this product, you will get both the driver and passenger side hubs. These are high-end parts made of vibration-resistant material. You'll get excellent ABS protection for a lifetime. The bearing has a 6-bolt design which ensures comfortable driving. Detroit Axle 515036 are recommended if you're looking for top-quality products that you can install and replace easily. Plus, you get a 10-year warranty against defects. And if you find any manufacturing defects, Detroit Axle will replace the part for you. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Drivestar 515036 front wheel hub and bearing assembly. Designed specially for front vehicle position, this product from Drivestar is made of fine materials. Engineered to ensure maximum performance with no noise or faulty connection, it comes with an induction hardened raceway for the best load-bearing capacity you can get. Drivestar 515036 front wheel hub and bearing assembly is also easy and quick to install. Overall, the product has a superior finish and build quality. Expect a smooth drive and optimum performance with this component. And lastly, all Drivestar hubs have a 1-year warranty. You won't regret getting this for your Silverado. The number 3 position is held by MYSA 515036 front wheel hub and bearing assembly. This product is compatible with 4WD vehicles including your Chevy Silverado. It goes through rigorous quality testing and is made to the highest manufacturing standards. MAYASAF 515036 front wheel hub and bearing assembly has an induction hardened raceway, which ensures high durability and load-bearing capacity. The design ensures a smooth driving experience with minimum noise and vibration. It is also made for an easy and quick installation for practicality. The MAYASAF 515036 comes with a 1-year warranty. If you have any problem with the item, you can contact the customer service which is available 24/7. It's a good purchase which provides a great value for your money. Next at number 4, we have ECCPP wheel hub and bearing assembly front 515054. ECCPP, being the most popular automotive equipment manufacturer in the USA, does not disappoint. Its ECCPP 515054 is affordable but has high quality and ensures a hassle-free installation. This product is made of top quality materials. The seal design ensures anti-pollution protection, minimum noise and vibration, and longer durability. The wheel bolts have a coating to protect them against rust and corrosion. This premium hub bearing can fix the tire and ensure that all the components of the wheels rotate smoothly. ECCPP 515054 hub bearings ensures a comfortable driving experience. The products come with a 1-year warranty and support replace. ECCPP also has a return and refund service if the products have any manufacturing defects. It is also an affordable option despite the premium quality that you get. The number 5 position is held by Timken Bearing and Hub Assembly. The Timken Bearing and Hub Assembly measures 9.4 by 8.9 by 6.1 inches. It's the key to restoring your vehicle and ensuring it offers a smooth and safe ride. This wheel bearing hub assembly is designed with heavy-duty materials and ideal for reducing any wear and tear on your vehicle. The manufacturers have designed it so it's easy and quick to install. Another great quality of this wheel bearing hub assembly is that it's lightweight and easy and convenient to move around. One factor to consider with this product is that it's not a universally compatible product. Therefore, you should check that it's suited for your vehicle before making a purchase. Next, at number 6, we have MOOG Wheel Bearing and Hub Assembly. The MOOG Wheel Bearing and Hub Assembly is a uniquely designed piece of equipment for your vehicle. Best of all, the Wheel Bearing Hub Assembly is simple to install, reduces stress, cools quickly, and is coated with a rust-resistant paint. The paint also makes it easier to glide into place. One of the best features of the MOOG Hub Assembly is found in its construction. Each is built to be highly reliable and perform without fault. MOOG's level of engineering makes the Wheel Bearing Hub Assembly relatively quiet when driving. It is also designed to not wear down as quickly as other brands. However, it is rather expensive when you compare it to other brands and wheel bearing hub assemblies available on the market. There have also been reported issues with the attached ABS sensors card being incorrect once installed. Finally, at number 7 with FKG 515098 Front Wheel Bearing Hub Assembly. FKG wheel bearing is another alternative to try. FKG 515098 Front Wheel Bearing Hub Assembly is made of quality materials for high durability and reliability. It comes with a superior seal design with anti-pollution protection. Designed to minimize noise and vibration, FKG 515098 ensures smooth performance and long-lasting protection. ISO or TS16949 certified, all FKG products also have a 1-year warranty and support replace. They also provide a return and refund service in case you find any manufacturing defects in your purchase. It is also designed to ensure easy installation for your car. All in all, FKG 515098 is a reliable product for your Chevy Silverado. That's all for today. We upload product review videos in every single day. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notifications.